I have already told you, and also I am you, our body is made up of 4 types of tissues, of which I already told you about epithelial tissue, connective tissue, and muscular tissue. Now I am going to tell about the nervous tissue. Just like muscular tissue, our nervous tissue is also excitable tissue. Excitable tissue means tissue which respond to stimuli. Our nervous tissue is made of 2 types of cells, namely conducting cell and support cell. The conducting cell nervous tissue is as nerve cell or neuron. Similarly, supporting of nerve tissue is known as either glial cell or fully glia. Class 9th, only focus on nerve cell, which is simply known by neuron. Here we will see structure, location and function of nerve. Nerve cell exactly like a leafless tree with leaf. That is the structure of nerve cell. Yes, tree like. Location of nerve cell. Location of nerve cell, or can also tell nervous tissue, is found in peripheral nervous system, which in short named as PNS. Central nervous system, which short as CNS. PNS and S, the location where nerve cell or nervous tissue is found. Function of cell. The function of cell is to take a stimulus in the form of electrical signal, which is known as impulse, from receptor to CNS, and then from CNS to finally effector. That immediate response will generate in response to certain stimuli has been applied to us or on us. This is the diagrammatic structure of cell. The body of nerve is called body. The cell body of nerve cell, and cell body the largest body of nerve cell. The cell body of nerve cell having 2 adult name, and is stone, CYTON, stone. Other one perikaryon, perikaryon. Is also one third, that is soma. From the body of nerve cell, 2 types of structure comes out. One short structure and one long structure. This is the cell of cell, which is the largest part of cell. This cell body short extension comes out. So these are the extension comes out from cell body. One long extension. Short action that out from the cell body of cell is known as right, and long extension that comes from the body of nerve cell known as axon. At regular interval around axon, at an interval around axon, there is sheath of Schwann cell, which is known as sheath. Between 2 myelin, there is a gap. This gap is called nodes of Ranvier. This of Ranvier is the conduct part of the axon. Wherever myelin is present, myelin sheath is present, is the non-conduct part of the nerve cell. Now, the part of axon, this is the branch part of axon, and the branch of axon is known as axon terminal. And end part of axon terminal is round, and that round end of axon terminal is known as synaptic node. And inside cytoplasm of synaptic node there is a small spherical body which is known as synaptic vessel, and in synaptic vessel there is a special type protein non-neurotransmitter with the help which one cell communicates the next nerve cell to next effector cell. Now inside central of the cytoplasm cell body is a very large nucleus, and at nucleus there is a small body known as granules, and those granules is what rough endoreticulum. Now